Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at 15 hot hair color ideas and options that you can try in 2023. First up, we have this beautiful chunky highlight look. She has platinum highlights mixed in with the black, showcasing two trends in one, chunky highlights as well as the contrasting hair color trend. Next up, we see a hair color transformation. So the stylist also decided to give her a bob haircut as well. So it looks like she decided to go with this beautiful warm blonde tone. And we see another hair color transformation for the next hairstyle. Wow, this looks like tie-dye colored hair. Absolutely beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen this color before, or this technique. And then we have someone with red money piece highlights. She also has some red color going there towards the ends. Oh, wow. So the stylist added in some beautiful hot pink to her blonde strands. Gorgeous pixie cut. Beautiful color. And we have this blue and platinum combo money piece highlights in the front. Gorgeous. So it looks like we have a split dye hair color for the next hairstyle. Wow. So they colored the roots of the hair with the split dye trend. Wow. That was amazing. I've never seen that technique before either. Then we have like this copper orangey color. And then some red and orange. Quite a few unique color combinations in today's video. Wow, beautiful pink and blonde colored bob. Amazing. Whoa, it's like peachy copper mixed with black. Beautiful shaggy haircuts. Gorgeous color work. Then we have money piece highlight blonde look. This is probably the most subtle hair color out of all the styles we've seen in today's video. So far, everything has been very bold and vibrant. Oh, beautiful platinum lavender color. And then we got some gray silver tone curls. And then we have that blonde pop of color trend, very pretty. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.